It's the Techstination Week podcast. I'm Fred Fishkin. Welcome to the compilation of this week's Techstination reports and more. Using an app to create custom footwear. A company called Weave, W-I-I-V-V, uses an app to let you design and buy custom insoles and sandals. General Manager Aaron Tremble.
So we exist because we've proven in the lab and in the field that when a product is made to the exact shape of your foot, really to the exact contours, that it's going to give you just the right support in just the right places. And that translates to significantly more comfort and more stamina under your feet.
They can make a big difference, whether you are a runner, a hiker, or just an everyday walker. Pricing starts at about $80 for the 3/4 length custom insoles. Sandals are typically priced at $129. You can find more info at wiivv.com. The future is looking up for the Naviator. Actually, it's looking down too. The Naviator is a drone developed by a team at Rutgers University's School of Engineering led by Professor Javier Diaz. It has been funded by the Office of Naval Research. Diaz says with propellers on the top and the bottom, it is stable and travels nonstop from air to underwater and back.
Yes, we call it seamless transition because it really there's no delay during the process. As you're coming out of the water, it literally the vehicle senses when part of the vehicle is out of the water and just continues through the transition. There's no stopping.
The team has developed different size Naviators for various applications, and commercializing is in the works. Perhaps we'll see a version that can carry passengers one day. Father's Day is on the way, and the folks at Works are out with some new tools for outside and in that use the latest 20-volt PowerShare battery system, from the GT Evolution trimmer and edger or HydroShot power cleaner to the new SandDeck 5-in-1 multi-sander. Senior Product Manager Gene White.
You can go from, let's say, a picnic table that you want to repaint. So we've got a random orbit pad, but basically if you flip up a lever, you can switch over to a quarter sheet pad, and then again you can change over to a detail pad.
Really versatile, and when Dad is done with all of that work, he might be able to use the Necksmith to help reduce neck and shoulder pain. It inflates with a blood pressure type bulb for just the right comfort. Find it at thenecksmith.com. Love shooting video? Adobe's Premiere Rush, which has been available on iOS and desktops for a little while now, has finally arrived on Android. At the outset, only for certain handsets, Premiere Rush puts some powerful yet simple-to-use video editing tools in the palm of your hand. Adobe's Director of Emerging Products, Steve Ford.
With Rush, our design goal was pretty aggressive. We wanted to be able to say to anyone who really has no experience with creating video to be able to use the application on their mobile device. And then within 3 minutes or less of installing it, be able to complete some actually pretty complex things like cutting the story together, adding motion graphics, so titles and so forth, to be able to manipulate audio.
Adobe has done it. You can try Premiere Rush for free. Subscriptions are priced at about $10 a month. One More is a company that has been making a pretty big splash, delivering high-quality headphones and earphones to consumers at prices that have been much more affordable than some big-name competitors. Now One More is impressing again, launching its true wireless in-ear headphones with some fun color options and priced at under $100. Senior Product and Brand Manager Tyler Runyon.
They'll feature Bluetooth 5. We also include fast charge capabilities, so you'll get 3 hours of use with only 15 minutes of charge. The case that we provide with the headphones also acts as a charger.
And the full line at One More is tuned by a Grammy Award-winning sound engineer. The One More True Wireless offers a lot of sound, style, and features for your money. Those are our reports for this week. You can find a full archive of reports and complete interviews at Techstination.com. Thanks for listening. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.